Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube account right from your phone. Whether you're looking to dive into the world of content creation or simply want to customize your viewing experience, this tutorial has got you covered. First, unlock your phone and open the YouTube app. If you don't have it yet, head over to your phone's app store, search for YouTube, and download the app. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be greeted with the option to sign in. Tap on Sign In located at the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll see the Add Account option. Tap on it, then choose Create Account. Here you'll have the choice between creating a personal account or managing your business. For this tutorial, we'll select For Myself. Now it's time to fill in your details. Enter your first and last name, and then tap Next. Proceed to enter your birth date and gender, and tap Next again. Google, which owns YouTube, will ask for your current email address, or give you the option to create a new one. Choose your preferred option and proceed. If you're creating a new email, you'll be prompted to choose a new email address and a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After agreeing to Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, Google may require a phone number for verification. Enter your number, and you'll receive a code via text. Enter this code to verify your account. Congratulations, you've just created your YouTube account. You can now enjoy customizing your channel, uploading videos, and interacting with the community. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy YouTubing!